Recent images circulating on Chinese social media platforms have sparked global interest in the J-15T, a carrier-based fighter jet reportedly equipped with advanced PL-15 air-to-air missiles. This development signals a significant step in China's ongoing effort to modernize its naval aviation capabilities. As the People's Liberation Army Navy, PLAN, expands its presence in strategic waters like the South China Sea, the J-15T's integration with long-range, high-speed missiles could reshape regional air combat dynamics. The J-15T is the latest evolution of China's J-15 Flying Shark, a carrier-based fighter derived from the Russian Su-33 but enhanced with indigenous technology. Designed to operate from China's growing fleet of aircraft carriers, the J-15T introduces upgrades tailored for modern naval warfare. Unlike its predecessors, the J-15T is optimized for catapult-assisted takeoff but arrested recovery, catabar, operations, a feature critical for China's newest carrier, the Fujian. This allows the jet to carry heavier payloads and achieve greater range compared to earlier short takeoff but arrested recovery, STOBAR, models. According to a 2024 report by Jane's Defense Weekly, the J-15T's design reflects lessons learned from years of carrier operations on the Liaoning and Shandong. The jet's ability to integrate with advanced munitions, such as the PL-15, underscores China's focus on extending its naval reach. The PL-15, known as the Thunderbolt 15, is China's most advanced air-to-air missile, designed to engage targets at long ranges with high precision. Capable of reaching speeds above 5 times the speed of sound, the PL-15 has an operational range estimated at 200 to 300 kilometers for its domestic version, according to a 2023 analysis by the War Zone. A standout feature of the PL-15 is its two-way data link, which enables mid-flight updates from the launching aircraft or other platforms, such as early warning aircraft. This capability ensures the missile can adjust to evasive maneuvers by enemy aircraft. The integration of the PL-15 with the J-15T marks a pivotal advancement for China's naval air arm. By equipping its carrier-based fighters with a missile capable of engaging targets at extended ranges, China enhances its ability to control the airspace around its carrier strike groups.